In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy anything off of Amazon with up to a 30% discount. Okay, so here we are at purse level. Here's some limits. Mine is I can get up to a 33% discount because I have a seasoned account when buying. Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. So we're basically just going to import a wish list from Amazon. And here on the purse website, they'll show you how to do it. There's a little tutorial, and you copy and paste the link right there at the bottom. So let's go to Amazon here now and go to some wish list that I have specifically for purse. Okay, so here's a pre-made list I have. We go to send to others right there, make it view only, copy the link, and we paste it back here on purse to import the list. And there it is. So now we can decide what we want, if we want to try to order it all or what. This is where we check the boxes of things that we want and we add it to the cart on purse. Alright, now there it is. So see how it shows a little discount here that we verify that we want. We first need to verify this is what we want before proceeding to checkout. And they just give us a generic baseline discount of 5%, which is the standard. And here we can select our discount with the bar. We can slide at the top. So there's the 5%, and then as we scroll over, the discount goes up, but also delivery time goes up as well. So if you're pretty into prime shipping, then getting a high discount might not bode well for you, but yeah, you can get up to 15%, up to 30% discount, and purse recommends 10 to 15 because the buyers who pick these orders up, they are buying these items for you guys with Amazon gift cards. So they're individual buyers and they just want to have Bitcoin. So the higher risk items, the higher risk 30% items, discounts are from less seasoned buyers, but you're still protected by purse. All right, so here we go. We'll go to the next, verify the shipping address, and then once it looks good, we proceed to payment. Sometimes when you import wish lists, the actual item on Amazon might be out of stock or something, which is showing those in that red text there. So you might have to adjust the shopping cart on purse anyways, and that's what happened. So I just went ahead and took off some items here, made it a more simple order, and I'm back resetting my discount here. I generally go for 15 to 20% on items that I don't need right away. Sometimes I'll go 20 to 30%. So Bitcoin is held in escrow until you verify you have the items anyways, so it's a pretty safe transaction. So, and there are returns as well. It's done through Amazon. So now we'll just go ahead and verify and then proceed to payment. And this is where it gets interesting when we add the Bitcoin to pay for this order. All right, and there we go. There's the QR code or the Bitcoin wallet address that we can use to send Bitcoin. This is my test account, so let's go ahead and see if it'll let me do it, the complete order. Okay, so I'm adding my debit card to this account, this test account on Coinbase, so I have instant access to my Bitcoin because it is a new account, I have a small limit for debit card purchases. So on my seasoned accounts, they are much higher, so that's not an issue. But for our purposes here, I can use a debit card to buy Bitcoin so that I can move it instantly. I'll go ahead and hit buy, do buy with a $100 limit. I'll link another Bitcoin exchange in the description if you want to buy more. But I recommend doing a small amount first, since this is probably your first time. Now we see that I've purchased the Bitcoin. Market value is just under 95, just under 96 after fees. So now we're going to send over the Bitcoin to Purse, but make sure you're sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. There's the address for my wallet on Coinbase, and we're going to send the Bitcoin over to Purse, the wallet address at Purse. So I'll just enter in the amount we use. I'm just going to use the maximum amount that I just purchased. And we're going to scan the QR code on my laptop with my phone like that. Okay. Just verify that the wallets match up, the wallet address in the Coinbase app and the wallet address that's going to on Purse. QR codes are extremely accurate, so it should be fine. I'm going to name it Purse. Just verify it's what you want to do. Sending it all over to pay for that Purse transaction, so it looks good. I'm going to have to send over some more from another Bitcoin wallet to complete the transactions. And it has been received, the Bitcoin. The order's been accepted by Purse, and now we just have to wait for a buyer to pick it up. Alright, let's see, let's check it out now. Some buyer has accepted it, so now the order is processing. So I just usually, good rule of thumb, message the buyer in the comments just to open a communication channel with them. That's just a good practice. So and now it is shipping. Now I just gotta wait for it to arrive and then verify. Okay guys, I just got my order this morning from Purse. Purse ordered a buyer on Purse ordered these items for me through Amazon as a gift. And so here it is. My buyer's name is Frank. He ordered it with Amazon gift cards on Purse. So my items are here. These are my slippers, and then my little thumb drive in here. So yeah, transaction complete. Now I'm just gonna, since the funds were held in escrow, the Bitcoin funds, I will now that I've verified, I will go ahead and release them to my buyer who bought these items for me on Amazon for discount. Okay, now that we've verified the items, I'm going to go ahead and confirm delivery and I just released the funds from escrow to my buyer. And if there's any issues, you can obviously return it. This is handled through Amazon, so the return process. So you just do that here. I've never had any issues myself, but in case you need to, there you go. Alright, and there's my completed order. Done, bought with Bitcoin. And here's just some of my purchase history over since I've discovered this place, and yeah, I actually use it.